Today, let us know about the hair transplant journey of one of our patients who is in the noble profession of teaching, and that too music teaching, and is also a music professional. Let us know about Mr. Ashu Chauhan, who was suffering from hair loss for past 5-6 years before he approached us. He had a full length of front till crown hair loss, but he had a small tuft of hair in the frontal side, which gave him some hair to comb, and therefore he did not know that he was losing so much hair at the back. You see, in cases where we have the frontal tuft left, usually people come to us for hair transplant or hair treatment when they have lost quite a long area behind that tuft, because in the mirror they are not able to see that they have lost this much area. So when Mr. Ashu came, he had already lost the front and till mid scalp and till transition zone till crown, and then we did a long-term planning, assessment, trichoscopy, and then treatment for him. Let us know how and when, along with the timelines. Till then, subscribe to this channel. My name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm American board certified hair transplant surgeon and have been giving my services to Saraswat Hospital, Agra for past more than a decade. So since Mr. Ashu had a large area, we decided to cover the front, the mid scalp up to the transition zone, like up to the part where the horizontal scalp meets the vertical. So up till here, we decided to cover this much in the first session, and we thought that we will review after an year, and then we'll again put some grafts on the crown in the circular fashion if required. That way, we calculated the area. After doing trichoscopy, we found out that the density he has at the donor area was around 80 grafts per centimeter square. On calculation of safe donor area at the back, we found that around 29 centimeters horizontally and 5 centimeters vertically. So the area plus density when multiplied gave us around more than 11,000 grafts which he had at the back, from which we could safely take around 40% of the grafts. On calculation of the recipient area on the front, we found that around 120 centimeter area required to be transplanted, and when giving a decent density, the number of grafts required were around 4,500. The complete calculations are shown on the screen so that you can go through it. Mr. Ashu being around 35-36 years of age, it was considered age appropriate, and considering long-term planning, this was agreed upon by him also. You can hit the like button now, and then we'll go to the second part of his story. The hair transplant in the frontal and mid-scalp region up to the transition zone was carried out in 2022 in June. Mr. Ashu used to come for regular follow-ups and PRP sessions, and later when he was talking to us, he told us that he was very nervous on the day of surgery, but when he started talking to us and our staff, gradually all his anxiety melted away. He was very happy that he was shown the number of grafts on the FUE machine, how many grafts have been scored, have been harvested and put, and also he was given some phone numbers on which he could call 24/7 if he had any problem whatsoever regarding his sleep or his diet or his hair. He could always call our staff members and he could get a proper counseling and help. So he was very happy, and since his crown was already in question, he wanted to have some hair there. We decided to give him a second hair transplant June next year. So in 2023, we decided to give him a crown hair transplant, which he wanted, so that he can complete his look of his scalp and he could have hair to comb on the scalp everywhere, in the front also and on the crown also. If you want to ask something about the treatment planning or how it is done, why this was done regarding Mr. Ashu or anyone in your family, you can ask in the comment section below, or you can call us on the numbers given below so that we can have a consultation with you. If you write a question in the comment section, we would try to answer it as soon as possible. When Mr. Ashu was having his crown consultation, we had told him that the result on the crown is not as dense as in the front region because, number one, the hair in the crown are put in a whirl fashion so that it becomes natural, and secondly, whatever number of grafts you put in the crown, crown, because of the transition zone, because of the curvature of the crown, because of the whirl, the scalp show is always there, and it is natural also. In order to put transplanted hairs, we never try to make it very dense, because then we'll be losing so many grafts for a small area on the crown. So we did optimum density for him, and around 1235 grafts were put. After about 6 to 8 months, again we reviewed his growth, and in between also he was coming for PRP and all, and we were reviewing. But when we sat down together, and then he was telling again that he was very happy that he got it done. His confidence is back now. He is not at all concerned that people may be looking at his scalp, and it is very important for him, his profession and his outlook towards the world. We were very happy to see him so much confident and satisfied with the result, and he wanted to tell the whole world how happy he was, what all things he thought, and he wanted to share it. So over to Mr. Ashu Chauhan, what he wants to say.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आशु चौहान है। मैं फरीदाबाद से हूँ और प्रोफेशन से एक म्यूज़िक टीचर हूँ और एक म्यूज़िक परफॉर्मर भी हूँ। लगभग आज से 7-8 साल पहले मेरा हेयर लॉस होना शुरू हुआ और बड़ी ही स्पीडली और तेज़ी से ये हेयर लॉस होता रहा। मैंने काफ़ी तरीके के जो एड्स आते हैं हेयर ऑयल्स और कुछ मेडिसिन्स वगैरह लेना शुरू किया, बट मुझे कोई बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा ऐसा नहीं दिखा। फिर देन आई डिसाइडेड कि मुझे एक अच्छे ट्रीटमेंट के लिए जाना चाहिए, और मैंने हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के बारे में भी सुना था। देन आई स्टार्टेड टू सर्च ऑन सोशल मीडिया पे मैंने सर्च करना शुरू किया, और कुछ और भी क्लिनिक्स मैंने विज़िट किए। देन सडनली आई फाउंड फ्रॉम द फेसबुक द त्वचा क्लिनिक, त्वचा हॉस्पिटल। इसके बारे में मैंने एक ऐड देखा और वहाँ से कॉन्टैक्ट लेके देन आई कॉन्टैक्ट टू हॉस्पिटल कॉन्टैक्ट करने के बाद आई गॉट द अपॉइंटमेंट विद डॉक्टर सारस्वत। And when I came to meet Mr. Dr. Saraswat, I think that was the very luckiest day for me. And Mr. Saraswat के साथ वो जो मेरी मीटिंग थी वो इतनी हेल्पफुल थी मेरे लिए, इतनी सक्सेस मेरे लिए थी। और देन आई डिसाइडेड कि नो, आई हैव टू गो फॉर द हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट। मेरे जितने भी डाउट्स थे उन्होंने 1 बाय 1 क्लियर किए, बहुत अच्छे से एक एक चीज़ मुझे मेडिकली समझाई और दिखाई भी, एंड बिल्कुल फेथफुली और बिल्कुल क्लियरली उन्होंने मुझे सब कुछ क्लियर किया। और दैट टाइम आई डिसाइडेड ओके, आई हैव टू गो for this surgery, and then I got the final date about my surgery, and I came to for my final surgery there. Then I meet the Dr. Saraswat's team, and if I say about the Dr. Saraswat's team, it was very good persons, all our team members। सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से समझाना और फ्रेंडली मिलना क्लियरली, और the cooperative, they are very good cooperative। एंड आफ्टर दैट सर्जरी स्टार्ट हुआ। थोड़ा सा मैं, क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ का पहला सर्जरी था तो मैं थोड़ा सा डरा हुआ था, लेकिन बातों बातों में कब उन्होंने मेरा सर्जरी इतनी इजीली किया एंड मुझे पता ही नहीं लगा कि मेरा सर्जरी हो रहा है। एंड सारी टीम्स बार बार मुझसे पूछती रही, सर आर यू ओके एंड एनी प्रॉब्लम। बीच में हमने लंच ब्रेक भी लिया, टी ब्रेक भी लिया, एंड दे शोन मी टू माई ग्राफ्स आल्सो। उन्होंने मुझे मेरे ग्राफ्स दिखाए कि ये हमने आपके ग्राफ्स निकाले हैं, अब हम इतने ग्राफ निकले हैं, ये मशीन में क्लियरली आपके आ रहे हैं और अब हम डालने वाले हैं। सब कुछ बहुत ईजीली होता चला गया, एंड नाउ आई हैव डन माई सर्जरी। एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑल द टीम, आफ्टर द सर्जरी ऑल द टीम विल कॉन्टैक्ट मी, मुझसे कांटेक्ट में रहे और डे बाय डे पूछते रहे कि सर कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, आप ये मेडिसिन टाइम पे ले रहे हैं, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। इतना अच्छा कोऑपरेशन सबका रहा, और धीरे धीरे फिर मेरा रिजल्ट आना शुरू हुआ। थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा, बट द रिजल्ट वाज अमेजिंग जिसको मैं कह सकता हूँ। वो बहुत ही सुंदर रिजल्ट मेरा आया। एवरीबडी वाज शॉक्ड कि ये मैजिक कैसे हुआ, एंड आई कैन से दिस मैजिक वाज ओनली क्रेडिट गोज टू मिस्टर सारस्वत। एंड सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से मेरा डन हुआ, एंड ये मैंने 2022 में, जून 2022 में मेरा फर्स्ट सर्जरी हुआ। आफ्टर 1 साल बाद मैंने इसमें दोबारा डिसीजन लिया क्राउन के लिए, क्योंकि सारा एरिया एक साथ कवर नहीं हो सकता था। देन 2023 जून में मैंने मेरा क्राउन का एरिया भी कवर करवाया, और अभी क्राउन एरिया और मेरा फ्रंट एरिया दोनों आप देख सकते हैं। इट्स एट फ्रंट ऑफ यू। आप बहुत ही अच्छा रिजल्ट मुझे दोनों का मिला। आई एम वेरी सेटिस्फाइड अबाउट दिस और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू फॉर दैट सर्विस। आपकी इनकी इस हेल्प के लिए इवन आई वांट टू थैंकफुल टू ऑल द टीम्स मेंबर एंड स्पेशली टू डॉक्टर सारस्वत एंड दे चेंज माई लाइफ। क्योंकि इसके बाद जो मेरे अंदर चेंजेस आए हैं, द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड द वर्किंग कॉन्फिडेंस, बात करने का कॉन्फिडेंस, बिल्कुल आप समझ सकते हैं कि एक व्यक्ति का आत्मविश्वास ही बढ़ जाता है। वो अब मुझे फिर से आत्मविश्वास देने के लिए मैं डॉक्टर सारस्वत और त्वचा हॉस्पिटल और ऑल द टीम मेंबर्स का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ, दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूँ। नमस्कार।
If you have any family person or in your friends somebody who wants to have a hair transplant and who is of this grade of baldness, do share this video with them so that they are also benefited by the story of Mr. Ashu Chauhan. And also, if you want to know about what would be the cost of hair transplant, how you will go about it, you can click on the video link given at the end of the video.